Give me your honest perspective. If the flood control project was exposed by Duterte on the same SONA nung administrasyon niya, would there be a same effect to the masses?
But he did. Di ko kaya ito. One, corrupt. Okay, so he starts out with his term and he says, I'm gonna stamp out corruption. If there is a whiff of corruption, you're gonna get out. I'm gonna take you out. Di ba, nung election, sabi niya, if there's any kind of whatever mischief, I'm gonna come there, I'm gonna get you. He tried to portray himself as the strong arm. Strong arm my ass. He did nothing. Sinong napakulong niya? Sino? Nobody. So if he had done that again at the SONA, people would probably be like, yeah, right. So because they knew he wasn't gonna do shit. These were people that were allied with him. He wasn't gonna do anything. Brothers are best friends with his son. What would he have done? So, no, it wouldn't have. Si PBBM, the only, siguro, kung hindi pa sangkot yung maraming tao dun.
Oh my
So,
gosh. Yan din po yung naisip ko rin, eh, 'no? Kung babalikan mo yung araw na ngayon maiisip ko kung sino nakalagay doon sa mga kakasuhan, parang alam na kaya nila kung anong mangyayari 6 months after pagkatas ng 25, 'di ba? And, I think another thing that I wanted to ask you, is it like a weakness sa gobyerno na nagpalit ang presidente sa 5 beses from the time na nagsimula siya ng spokesperson?
my husband's been married 3 times. So, I don't know.
Lottery ticket. You gotta keep blaming him. That's what I want.
So, sabi ni Sir JDB, pang actually, hindi naman ano yan, spokesperson.
Palace
I think they
officer.
call it the palace press
Officer.
officer.
Yeah.
Si Ate Claire, what do they call her? Ante Claire.
Anti
Yeah, that.
Claire.
Yeah. No, they spell it ANTKLER. Ante.
Anti-Claire. And, ma'am, another question. Hindi kaya inline yung pagpalit ng 5 beses ng spokesperson or palace officer ng Pangulo, hindi ba ito connected sa pagguho ng kanyang approval rating, knowing that the President Bongbong Marcos in history has the highest approval rating mula nung siya'y umupo bilang Pangulo?
But you know what? Okay. Switching. And don't you always want to look for the best? Diba? You keep trying to find something better. Ewan ko for me, if I hired somebody and they weren't doing their job, you're out of the door. Diba? I mean, you know how it is here.
Yeah.
Every year you get an annual evaluation. You don't perform well, you're out of the door. You're on probation. You don't make it after probation, you're out of the door. Ganun talaga ang buhay. All these people, they serve at the pleasure of the president. Yun lang, ang problema is they say it, we serve at the pleasure of the president. But then when they get kicked out, they spout all this nonsense. Ay, corrupt yan. Ano yun? Nung hinair ka, ang tuwa-tuwa mo. Pero nung finair ka na, biglang naging corrupt. What the... Diba?
May grievances.
Biglang nagkaroon ng problema yung presidente dahil na-fire ka na. Hello, Ma'am Elvira. Ang ganda naman nito. Oh. Pasensya na yung hindi mo nag-greet dyan, Oh. I mean, you don't blame him for trying to find the best and he finally found the best, di ba? Hindi na yan mapapalitan si Yusek. I don't think so.